Is the slide visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is histogram equalization. Just now we have been talking about, right? So these are the linear histogram equalization technique. So what we try to do is we try to apply certain transforms, right? So to get this kind of a equalized histogram. So every pixel of the pixel value of the input image is subjected to transformation like this. This h of a, you all know, it's a cumulative histogram, right? And this is number of levels, number of pixels. When you can operate on this m cross n image, the range between 0 to k minus 1, so you get a much equalized histogram. So for example, this is the original h of I, for example, it comes out with so original histogram is something like this. So you're trying to equalize any of those portions and call this a linear region, right? So make this a linear histogram equalization. So okay, see, the other way of doing this equalization is through certain specifications, right? So you do, I mean, what kind of a histogram you require. So according to an certain distribution, right? So image 1 histogram can also be used as a target for image 2. Okay, makes images taken by two different cameras to appear as if they are taken from the same camera.